How to touch switch work. Working of touch switch. Touch plate. Sensor. You connect a small metal plate or wire. This acts as your touch sensor. When you touch the plate, your body provides a tiny amount of voltage or current to the circuit. Base current to transistor. The tiny current flows into the base of the NPN transistor, like BC547. This small base current is enough to turn on the transistor. It works like a switch. Transistor switches on. When the transistor turns on, it allows a larger current to flow from collector to emitter. Buzzer activation. The buzzer is connected in the collector path. When current flows, the buzzer gets power and starts buzzing. The buzzer stays on as long as you keep touching the plate. When touch is removed. Once you remove your finger, no current flows into the base. The transistor turns off. The buzzer turns off. That was the working of our circuit. Simple and easy to understand. How to make touch switch on breadboard. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel at Book of Technical. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi and English. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno 91 Green Technologies.